What's going on, everyone? This is Matt, Squeaky Clean Air. Today we're going to talk about tubing straighteners. I know I just did a video in regards to where to get hard lines and how to buy hard lines and spools and then straighten them out. But today we're going to cover in depth a tubing straightener that I stumbled upon actually on the internet. And I'm going to give a small little shout out to this company that I've been dealing with. And I just got mine in, and I can't wait to share with you, and hopefully it works out for you guys as well. Stay tuned. All right, so here it is. The Kwix UK, the only tool for the job, tooth straightening tool. I bought the 3/8 outer diameter, which is what I commonly use when I'm doing my hardline setups. I prefer to use 3/8 lines. You could use any size of line that you like, 1/2 inch, which are some popular for the truck guys. If you're doing mini trucks, 1/4 inch lines you could use as well. It sort of kind of depends on what kind of fittings you're going to run and how you want it to look like in your trunk. I prefer the use of 3/8 lines simply because of the fact that they're a little bit thicker. It's a little bit more prominent of a look to it, and it looks a lot nicer in the trunk. It doesn't look as thin a little bit as a 1/4 inch lines. But anyways, without further ado, this is a company I stumbled upon actually called Kwix UK. I just received this thing. This is the actual tubing tubing straightener that I demonstrated in my previous video in regards to hard lines and hardline setups and stuff like that, and where to get hardline. But this is what it is. It's a rolling style straightening tool, and according to this description, it's the world's first efficient handheld tube straightening tool. Accurately straightens light wall tube from a coil. Copper, aluminum, stainless steel, brass, and various other tubes can be accurately straightened prior to installation. So this is it. Kind of excited for it. I paid about I think close to $100 Canadian after conversion. It comes with like little instructions. So essentially, once you've straightened the end of the tube and once you straighten your spool, you're able to feed it through in order to get an even nicer sort of a straight look to it for a straightened line. And here it is. So that's really cool. That's another alternative. I guess there's a bunch of companies that make these, but Kwix UK has them in various sizes, and that's the company sort of that I went with. What I really liked about it is the personalized service. I mean, this is unheard of. It's like, hey Matt, your 3/8 inch Kwix tool has arrived. I trust you found Kwix tool in perfect order. Thank you for your custom order once again. Kind regards, Sear at Kwix UK Ltd, 334 Oaks Road, Walton Summit, Preston, Lancashire, blah, 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 United Kingdom. But this personalized note saying, thank you, Matt, Sear. And I also went through direct communication back and forth in regards to, he kept me updated in regards to the process and stuff like that. This kind of stuff, handwritten, I love it. Good quality tools, amazing service. I'm really happy with it. So definitely give these guys a try. Kwix UK. I came here in about 2 weeks from UK. So this is definitely going to help you guys out when it comes to straightening out your tube, especially if you get your tube in a roll. But then what I do is once I straighten it out, I'm able to kind of use it and straighten it out in nice little straights, and then it's easier for me to bend. But yeah, good quality stuff, man. Kwix UK. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you guys are looking for a source for these tubing straighteners, these guys are around and they're legit, tried, tested, and true, and I like their service. So definitely give these guys a try, and hopefully this helps you out in any way. And leave a like or a comment down below, and enjoy. Keep on trucking and keep on doing air suspension. All the best. Take care. Gotta love those straights. Woohoo! Gotta love those straights.